Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Just2Trade. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Just2Trade is a CySEC-regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2007 and is based in Cyprus. They have thousands of clients from more than 120 countries around the world, with offices based in London, Germany, India, and China. Just2Trade offers a variety of account types, and their accounts can be connected to popular platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5, Sterling Trader Pro, ROX and CQG trading software. With Just2Trade, you can trade over 30,000 stocks, over 5,000 futures, 90,000 options, more than 100 currency pairs, and dozens of bonds. Just2Trade also offers a multi-purpose investment account, as well as robo-advisors for creating and managing different investment portfolios and asset management tools. The website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can easily find more information about their accounts, instruments, platforms, tools, as well as the company's history and regulations by choosing an option from the menu bar. The homepage displays information about the instruments you can trade and the spreads they offer, and they also highlight some of the most recent awards and the perks of being a Just2Trade client further down the page. Just2Trade currently offers over 120 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. They also offer more than 30,000 stocks, 5,000 futures, over 90,000 options, CFDs, and bonds. Just2Trade offers more instruments than most other brokers on the market, so we recommend trading with them if you are looking for ways to diversify your portfolio. The Just2Trade customer support team can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically, and they have offices in the United Kingdom, Germany, Cyprus, India, and China. Their customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just2Trade's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, as well as ROX, Sterling Trader Pro, and the CQG trading platform. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, the ability to hedge your positions, algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their trading strategies. ROX is a stock trading platform that was developed by a team of US traders specifically for trading US stocks. With this platform, you will have direct access to over 7,000 securities in leading markets. This platform is a highly intuitive electronic order management system that connects directly to exchanges like Tradegate Exchange, Euronext, the American Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, and several others. CQG is another trusted platform that has been around for more than 30 years. It gives you access to more than 40 international exchanges, and it is most commonly used for trading futures and options. This platform provides high-quality market and historical data with multiple timeframes and customizable charts. It can also be used for automated trading, technical analysis, and the development of complex trading systems. Depending on what you will be using CQG for, there is a dedicated platform for professionals, a platform for strategy-driven trading, a basic version of the professional platform, a beginner's platform, and a free mobile platform. We also recommend trying Sterling Trader Pro and Lightspeed Trader. Sterling Trader Pro has more than 60 configurable charts and a highly customizable Level 2 order entry system. It also provides market data for creating watch lists and custom price alerts. Lightspeed Trader is an advanced trading system for professional traders that has built-in scanners and filters with advanced charting tools and a completely customizable user interface. The platform you use will depend on your skill level and the instruments you'll be trading. If you would like to test out each platform, then you can open a demo account and test each one before making any financial commitments. Just2Trade offers different accounts based on the instruments you are trading. Firstly, we will look at the accounts you can use for Forex trading. There are 3 Forex accounts, and all 3 accounts have super low spreads and can be used as demo versions. With Just2Trade, you can trade normal and CFD Forex pairs. So the first type of account you can open with them is the Forex and CFD Standard account. This is a commission-free account with spreads starting from 0.5 pips, and the minimum deposit required on this account is $100. The Standard account has negative balance protection and is suitable for beginners. You can also open a Forex ECN account, which is recommended for more experienced traders, and the minimum deposit for this account is $200. There is a small commission fee of less than $3 per lot on trades, but the spreads on this account start as low as 0 pips. If you would prefer to trade Forex on the MetaTrader 5 platform, you can open a MetaTrader 5 global account by depositing $100, and the spreads on this account start as low as 0 pips. However, a small commission fee of less than $2 per lot is charged. There is also a dedicated account for trading US stocks and options, and this account can only be used on the ROX trading platform. The minimum deposit required to open a stock trading account is $3,000, and commission fees on this account are incredibly low. You can also open a demo version of this account, and there are over 30,000 tradable stocks. If you are interested in trading futures and options, you can also open a CQG account, and you can choose to either use the free desktop version or pay a subscription fee of $25 for CQG Trader, $75 for CQG Q Trader, or $595 for the CQG Integrated Client Package. The MetaTrader 5 global account is not only for Forex trading, but it can also be used for trading CFDs, bonds, options, stocks, commodities, and futures. This account can be used on any device that has MetaTrader 5 installed on it, and the minimum deposit requirement for the MetaTrader 5 global account is $100. If you are still trying to decide which instruments you want to trade, or you want to spend more time practicing before you deposit real money, then you can open a demo version of any of the accounts mentioned. By trading on a demo account, you can test out new platforms and tools, as well as experiment with trading strategies without the risks. Just2Trade also offers an Islamic swap-free account, which can be used to trade 21 Forex pairs and gold on the MetaTrader 4 platform. This account will give you access to Trading Central news and signals, and it allows hedging, scalping, and automated trading. This account is entirely commission-free, and spreads start as low as 0.05 pips. Creating an account with Just2Trade may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the Just2Trade homepage, and then click on the Apply or Start Trading buttons. What you'll want to do next is complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal, and once your account is ready and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. Once your account is ready, you will be redirected to the client portal. Here you can check on your accounts, create new accounts, open demo accounts, deposit cryptocurrencies, view your products, contact support, check on contests, and more. What you'll want to do next is download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Just2Trade. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the dashboard, a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources, as a client, you will have access to Trading Central, which is a popular trading platform that provides future and historical research data, analysis, trading ideas, and educational content. You will also have access to daily economic news, and you can subscribe to multiple channels for updated research notes, weekly forecasts, and trading ideas. You can also use the Just2Trade Analytics archives as a reference, and you can visit the blog section of the website for how-to guides and insightful articles. If it is your first time trading, you might come across many unfamiliar words, and if you do, you can use the financial terms glossary provided to learn about the basic concepts and terminology used by traders. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received many awards for their services. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Partnership Program in 2021 by World Finance, the Best Multi-Asset Broker in Asia in 2021, and many, many more. Overall, not only does Just2Trade offer more than 100,000 tradable instruments, but they also offer spreads starting as low as 0 pips, and you can open an account by depositing as little as $100 US. This trusted broker has thousands of clients worldwide, and they offer a variety of accounts that can be used on popular platforms. If you are interested, be sure to open your Just2Trade account today to get a head start on trading thousands of stocks, forex, options, futures, and bonds on leading platforms that will give you a competitive advantage in the markets. And that is our overview of Just2Trade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.